Welcome back to our channel. This is our 66 Mustang Coupe that we're gonna start building from scratch. Today we're gonna start breaking it down, taking a tally of all the parts that it needs. Don't forget, if you see the like button, take off his hitch so that the next time he goes to try to put his boat in the water, there's no way to back it up. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And Gudu's in there somewhere. If you know the timestamp, post it. We'll pin your comment to the top of the section. Stay tuned.
Now that we're done breaking down the car, it's time for us to make a list so Al can go start hunting down some parts for us. But this is not going to be like your Pop's Mustang. Yeah, not going to be like that.
Alright guys, I got my list. I'm going to head back into the office and do what I know best. Track down parts and see what I come up with. Stay tuned.
Alright, so as you can see, it wasn't that bad to blow apart. We knocked it out pretty quickly. So let me give you guys a shot of what we're looking at. So it looks like it's gonna need a radiator core support. So we'll have to bust out the spot welds, order a new one. Got some rust and rot right here by the filler tray. Suspension's all gonna be gone. It's gonna be all coil over. Drums, there's gonna be a disc brake conversion, so we don't care about that too much. We're just looking at frame and underbody here, and so far it's exactly what we thought it was going to be, a complete restoration. The bottom side, that transmission tunnel is going to be widened up for our new setup. We knew it needed a floor pan. That's probably why they started cutting that whole center section out. They started and stopped. Actually, it looks like somebody put one right on top. Look at that. Good artistry work right there. SP, you want to start blowing off the tires? Take the tires off. We'll see what that looks like. Everything's good. Probably going to send the differential out. Get it re-geared, rebuilt. Trunk, all that filler pan. Probably going to get a 4-link rear suspension system on it. So far, everything looks... Oh, shit. Stop. Something's fucked up on this. This thing is fucking garbage. You just gotta stop everything. The build's all fucked up.
The whole build?
That's it. You gotta stop everything. We gotta get something else. This thing is, it makes sense now why they put quarter panels on it. Oh, check out the frame rails. That's one, and look at that shit.
Oh.
Broken all the way. That's a full chassis. That's a full pan. That's it. It's junk. I mean, honestly, the car, the integrity of the car is probably fucked. A major problem that's gonna throw the whole build off. It blew the budget right out of the bat, and we just wasted our time. And this is why this car was so cheap. It's junk. So I'll show you guys while he goes and breaks the news to Owl. So right here, you can see the wheel welds are buckled. The floor pan is buckled. The gap right there between the wheel weld, this whole frame, it's all done. Yo, that's it. It's junk. The frame's bent. You remember how we saw the quarter panels?
Yeah.
The reason why they put the quarter panels is because it got hit so hard in the back, it bent the frame.
Oh.
It's completely bent.
So now what? Damn, this was a waste.
No idea now what.
Wow.
So for now, we're done. sorry guys, we'll come up with something.
Hey guys, so as you see, AJ found a huge problem with the build. Usually we budget in about $700 for these floor pans because it's a common problem, but because these frame rails are bent, it went from $700 to $7,000. Usually you have to replace literally from front to back. So don't know what's gonna happen. That was a bummer. Just stay tuned, please like, subscribe, and hopefully we'll come up with a solution.